Hi, I'm Nenad Lonick. I'm here to show you the SDC 2300 gold detector. This is the perfect versatile machine for all-terrain detecting in a compact waterproof design. It is really easy to use and developed especially to be very sensitive to small gold nuggets under 1 gram. Here's some of the small nuggets that were found during testing. We'll now take a look at the main product features. The SDC 2300 folds down to a compact size of 8.5 by 15.7 inches, smaller than a magazine. It's waterproof to 10 feet for detecting riverbeds and shorelines. It's also great for wet tropical conditions. It's designed for the toughest conditions using military-grade components, and there's no assembly required. The SDC 2300 quickly unfolds for use. You can search quickly and efficiently in difficult conditions to find promising gold-bearing deposits. Small gold on the surface can lead to larger gold nuggets at depth. The SDC 2300 uses advanced MPF technology developed by Bruce Candy. The pulse switching between transmit and receive signals is many times faster than conventional pulse induction detectors, resulting in greater sensitivity to small gold nuggets. A handy quick start guide is included which covers the basics to get you started. We'll look at unfolding the detector first with these 8 easy steps. Step 1, loosen the armrest strap. Step 2, fold out the coil. Step 3, push up the handle. Step 4, fold out and pull back the armrest. Step 5, turn the coil outwards. Step 6, rotate the coil around. Step 7, extend shafts to the right length. And Step 8, adjust the coil angle to suit. The SDC 2300 is powered by 4 C-cell batteries. Rechargeable batteries and a charger are included. Unscrew the cap at the back. Ensure you insert the batteries with the correct polarity, then screw the cap back on. There are 2 detecting modes on the SDC 2300, normal and salt. Ensure this is set to normal sensitivity position 2. Note that this control needs to be lifted up before you can turn it. Turn the detector on. Push noise cancel to eliminate external interference. Set the threshold to just audible. Carry out a fast ground balance operation. You are now ready to go detecting. When you detect the target, the SDC 2300 has audio and visual target indicators. The SDC 2300 is supplied with headphones that can be used as an alternative to the built-in speaker. Waterproof headphones are also available for detecting underwater. A handy carry bag is also available for protecting and transporting your detector. For finding more gold patches and more gold nuggets in all terrains, the SDC 2300 is a great mid-range, high-performance gold detector for beginners and advanced users alike. To find out more about this great detector, visit minelab.com or your nearest Minelab dealer.